Hello everyone. So I'm going to explain 5 minutes video how a packet travels from a computer to the web server. Let's assume this is google.com and you are trying to send a request from your browser. Let's say this is your computer where you have a Chrome browser. When you're sending a google.com page request, like you're opening the browser and typing google.com, the traffic is being sent first computer to switch router ISP into the google.com. So here when you open the browser and type www.google.com, first the computer will check in its DNS cache whether google.com domain IP address is already available in its DNS cache. Okay, so first it will check in DNS cache. So let's assume that google.com IP address is available in computer's DNS cache. In that case, it will take that IP address and in the computer, it will check for the routing. So first of all, in the route table, here in computer, it will check how can this packet be sent out of the computer through the which interface. So is this google.com, which is a public IP, directly connected or via ISP? So ideally it is connected ISP. So for that it will check its default gateway or any outgoing next hop interface. Based upon the routing table, you forward the packet. So let's assume in this case it is to the ISP. So in that case, computer will check the routing table and forward it to the gateway. Now to send a packet out of the computer interface, so let's assume this as its interface. We want to send it out, then it will check now our table. So in our table, it will try to first check in our cache whether the gateway IP address is there. If it is there, then it will take the MAC address of the gateway and it will forward out of its interface. When it receives its switch is nothing just like a layer 2. It will check in its MAC table. Based upon that, it will forward it to the next interface, which is its outgoing interface. And switch will forward to router. In the router, it will check the routing table for this destination IP, which is the google.com IP. Then it will forward it to your ISP next hop router. Then packet will travel based upon the BGP or OSPF configured IGP and EGP based routing. It will reach to the destination google.com. Okay, and then google.com will reply back. Okay, thank you.